Hey everyone, I'm Steph. Welcome back to my channel, The Secret Slob, where we use daily routines, systems, and habits to make our lives a little bit easier. So I've been working on routines this month, trying to really hone them in, get organized, get my routines going again. We moved, well, 6 months ago now, but it's been a real struggle to get my routines back on track. So originally, I would have thought the morning routine would be the most important part, you know, start the day right, get going, get off on the right foot. But what I've actually come to find is that it's the evening routine that will make the biggest difference. I'm gonna share with you my top 3 evening routine habits to help your house be more organized and achieve that peaceful flow that we're all looking for. All right, the first habit in our evening routine is closing the kitchen. You're shutting it down, it's closed for the night, no one else can bring a dish in here or make any food. I love this one because pretty much everyone has dishes and has kind of a messy kitchen at the end of the day, so we're taking that time to do up all the dishes, wipe down the counters. I'm gonna replace my cloths and tea towels with clean ones, and even shine up the sink. This way, my kitchen is all clear and ready for the next day. I'm gonna come down first thing in the morning to make breakfast, and I don't have to face a pile of dirty dishes or crumbs everywhere or stuff all over the floor. This is probably the #1 thing you can do for yourself day to day. So get in the habit of shutting down that kitchen and let your family know it is closed. Okay, that didn't take too long at all. I wanted to add something in really quick because it always gets asked, where is my husband and why aren't my kids helping me? My husband and my kids both help with the evening routine every single night. However, my husband doesn't want to be in the videos, and we've decided that we don't want our kids to be in my YouTube videos. So when I film these videos, I mean, I'm still doing the work, but it's not really accurate because we do it all together normally. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that clears some confusion up. My husband does help. He's an extremely helpful and much less messy person than I am. And we get our kids involved to the best of their abilities. They clear the table, they wipe it down, they wipe down the counters. So I just do everything for the sake of the video because we just don't want them to be filmed. I hope that helps and clears it up. Habit number 2 is the quick pickup. I do a big one of these in the afternoon, which I call the power tidy, and so it's very much the same thing. Picking up toys, picking up loose objects. So again, we're not coming into the main parts of our house first thing in the morning and stepping on things, stepping over things, feeling like you can't find anything. A tidy home looks cleaner than a clean but untidy home. Number 2, quick pickup is done. I just wanted to make sure to point out that this is not me fully cleaning my house. It literally takes 5 or 10 minutes. We just pick up as best we can. It's mostly toys, put everything away, but I'm not coming in vacuuming. Like, you can see someone was cutting something in here. There's little bits of paper. I'm not worried about that. What I care about is coming down in the morning to a house that doesn't have Lego strewn everywhere for the sake of my feet, but also for the sake of my sanity. So just a really quick pick up. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, put on your favorite music and go. Last but certainly not least is prep for tomorrow. This one comes straight out of the Fly Lady system, and it has been an absolute game changer for me. I check my calendar the night before and then prepare everything I need for the next day. Everything goes so much smoother, and I never feel rushed or panicked, and I rarely forget anything, which used to be a big problem for me. So tomorrow I'm going swimming with my kids. We have a swimming lesson. I'm gonna get everything together right now, put everything in a bag and put it at the door, so all I have to do is grab it and go. Okay, so I'm all prepped for tomorrow. It's gonna save me so much hassle and stress. I've had that experience where I'm running around searching for a bathing suit or a pair of goggles, or even worse, shown up at the swimming pool and we're missing one swimsuit. Get those things done the night before when you're not rushing, when you're in a clear headspace, and then it's just done for you. And then tomorrow you can look back and say, oh, thank you, yesterday me. So those are my top 3 things. I hope you'll give them a try. I've really noticed that those 3 things, just those, doing them every single night has made a huge difference in the flow and the peacefulness of my house. I really feel like I'm more organized when I do a little bit for myself the night before. It's not perfect, but I'm getting something done so I can get going the next day on the right foot. All right, let me know if you give this a try, or if you have an essential evening routine habit that you want to share. I know the comments have been super helpful for helping me find routines and habits that work best for me, and so I'm sure there's someone else out there that needs to hear what you have to say. Okay, I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.